Hello, it's Linda here. I'm sitting in my craft studio and I've got another 2-minute tip for you. And this one is about adding a bit of dimension to your pages. So I'm going to show you a page that I've received from guest scrapbooker Sarah, and I'll explain what I mean. Okay, so this is the page that she's designed, and what I really like about this page is the double squares on it. Oh, I'll try and pick this up one-handed. Do you see how that just adds a little bit of something rather than just single squares? She's layered them, and okay, it takes a bit more effort and a bit more paper, but it just adds a little something to the design, makes it a bit more interesting. And it's very easy to do she hasn't used foam squares or anything. She's just stuck one square on top of another. Now you can cut out squares using a paper trimmer, or you can get punches that will punch out, which is a lot quicker. So if you've got one of those in your craft kit already, you could try this out straight away. So there you go. It's just another little 2-minute tip for you. If you try it out, why not post your pages on our Facebook group so that we can all have a look? That would be fab. So let me know what you've been doing. You can write if you want. I've got an email address which is available through the website, so memoriesandphotos.co.uk. I will see you all again soon. Happy scrapping.